In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book a meeting on Calendly. To get started, open the Calendly scheduling link that was shared with you. This link will take you directly to the booking page for the specific meeting or appointment. Once the page loads, take a moment to review the event details carefully. This usually includes the type of meeting, how long it will last, and where it will take place. For example, the location might be a video call platform, a phone call, or an in-person meeting. Checking these details first helps you make sure you're booking the right event. Next, look at the calendar and select an available date that works for you. After choosing the date, you'll see the available time slots for that day. Pick the time that best fits your schedule. If you don't see a suitable time right away, you can usually move to another date and check additional availability. Once you've selected your time, click Next to continue. You'll then be asked to fill in your information. Enter your name in the required field, and then type in your email address carefully. Make sure your email is correct, because this is where your confirmation and meeting invitation will be sent. Some hosts may also include additional questions. Complete any required fields before moving forward. These questions might be used to gather helpful information ahead of the meeting, so it's a good idea to answer them clearly and accurately. After that, review all of the meeting details one more time. Double-check the date, time, your contact information, and any other responses you've entered. This quick review can help prevent mistakes and save you time later. When everything looks correct, click Schedule Event or Confirm, depending on what appears on the screen. If the meeting requires payment, you'll be prompted to complete the payment process at this stage. Follow the on-screen instructions, submit the payment, and then continue until the booking is finalized. Now wait for the booking confirmation page to appear. This page lets you know that your meeting has been successfully scheduled. After that, check your email for the confirmation message and calendar invitation. It's a good idea to open that email right away so you can verify all the details. If you're given the option to add the event to your calendar, go ahead and do that. Adding it to your calendar can help you stay organized and make sure you don't miss the meeting. Thanks for watching.